Hello, folks. It has been a while, but now we have a new locomotive. It's another SD15. I showed you a GP15-1. No, folks, Southern 1446. Combine it up with 1651, also on a GP40. GP15-1. You may have noticed I now have a heavier train. Now it's a 4x4 piece of track, square. Now I'm gonna actually, if you can actually know how, I'm going to train pretty slow. So there should be, if you're counting the cars, there should be at least 18 on this train. Now, a few of these cars I picked up, I'm not going to say where, but there's at least 18 cars on this thing. I had to have two locomotives because the one GP15 cannot haul the whole thing. I only have it on the low power at the moment. Small stroke. It's a good slow train. It's even slower because it's going uphill. That's why I'm going to train it a little heavier going uphill. Now it freaking broke it. But also now these new cars bought a couple of new engines too. These two here is a set. These two are the same type. They're both the same type of locomotive. Both of these. Including two others. These two right here. Now the steamer up on my one table. I still need a few parts. Well, I'll show you them now. And also I got a siding track up there now for putting the passenger cars on. Or that I like to call the runaway track. The track is designed to cut all power to the trains that I have a runaway train going through. The only thing I do is flip that one switch over there. The only thing I got to do is just flip the one switch. Now, to my one steamer up here. And also, I got that thing too in that lot. Plus all this that I will not use. That eventually I will build and complete. So I can have a good running train car. Plus a couple of things in here. I won't use the couplers though. That's for sure. But that's how I'll start putting that together eventually. Now here is the steamer. And you see I tore up my Chukka 2 locomotive. But here it is. The whole thing is die cast. Except for a few things that are plastic. Like the front wheel up here. This whole thing is die cast. Literally die cast. This thing's fucking heavy. It's a 282 engine. Took me a while, but the front part is missing. That's why I'm not started using this train yet. Well, eventually I will have more cars and more engines along the way here. But eventually I'll get this engine in operation. This fucking thing runs too. It runs. This fucking thing runs. But I just need a part and get a couple of goop up in there. It runs, but not completely. So, since you have seen my face in probably a long time, I have been getting a few things here and there, but eventually I will have a job, and I'll start purchasing more stuff online. Hopefully I can order parts for this thing. But this is actually only a couple of them I know are in existence, but this has a Union Pacific And I believe a Santa Fe thing, too. Oh, that's all. Uh-oh. Oh, that just happened. Well, then end my video in a bang. Okay. Let's see if I can get the train hook back up here. Hope I have enough space to do this. They don't ram it. Let's get this train back over to the thing. So I can end the video. Well, that's what it's going to be in for a couple of days. See you in the next video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.